going to start with a square piece of paper, pattern side down, and you're going to go from diagonal to diagonal. So we want to make lines cross in the center. That gives us our point to fold into. So we're going to take all four corners and fold up and into that point. Alright, so still using that center point, we're going to take each side and fold into it. And then do that on the other two sides. Alright, now open it back up to this point. You're going to open up two of these flaps and take the sides and fold them up like so. And those are the sides of your boxes. Now, to start with the one side, you're going to fold up and take these pieces in, and this one is going to be, you're going to fold a diagonal from this corner to this corner here so that it will stand up. So basically tucking that in, lining the folds up, and once that's done, you're making that fold at a diagonal. Okay, so it looks something like this. And then we're going to take this side and fold it over. Should be on a line that's already scored. And then tuck all that in. Okay, and then we do the same thing on the other side. So that's your fold. We're going to tuck all this in, line it up, so you have this, and then we're just going to fold this side over as well. I'll hold it in place. And then just go around and give everything a nice pinch to make sure it's tight. Now, I have done the same thing with a coordinating piece of paper. I cut this one 1/16 of an inch smaller on two sides. So hopefully it will slide. It looks like we could have gone probably 1/8 of an inch smaller for that to slide in there. This way. Yeah. Alright, so it looks like 1/8 of an inch would be the better fit to make that box. But that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed it.